Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, February 8th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I spent the day watching Ray Higdon YouTube videos, and my gosh, this guy's he's a legend, okay? So if you don't know who he is, you can go over to rayhigdon.com and read about him and his wife. And you can see here he's a best-selling author, coach, high-energy speaker, and philanthropist. He's got an incredible story where he lost everything and got into the network marketing world, and he's just a really inspirational guy. So one of the videos that I watched today was how to invite the cold market to your offer, okay? And he shared a script that's free to use. And right, there's a YouTube video that he's got many YouTube videos with scripts that you can use, but I thought I would just share this one script because after I watched his video, I started sending these out to some people that I didn't know, and I've gotten a reply that I was going to share with you, okay? So this is what the script looks like. It's very basic, okay? And it just says hi, and then, you put the person's name there. So, hi, John. I know we don't know each other, but I see you're in Portland, Maine. I'm actually working to expand my business into Portland. Would you be at all open to taking a look at what I'm doing to make extra money on social media? If not, no big deal. All right? So basically, Ray was talking about how there's two ways that you can message people, okay? The cold market. You can build a rapport with them, which, usually takes a while and it can drag on forever. And Ray's not really open to that idea, although, it is something that a lot of people teach and do. But then on the flip side is, why don't we just go and target and get right to the point right away to people? All right? So by saying that you don't know them, it's not like a weird thing where they're guessing like, oh, do I know this person? Who is it? You're telling them right away that you don't know each other, but you have some similarities, okay? You might be from the same city or state. You can also change this up and say, I know we don't know each other, but I see you're an accountant, or I see you're a lawyer, or I see you're, a store clerk, or whatever it is, all right? And then you can say, I'm actually working with accountants. I'm working with dentists. I'm working with store clerks. I'm working with whoever, all right? Because in this industry, we work with anybody, really, right? So you can change that up, if you don't like the city or state. And so, you're basically telling the person right off the bat that you don't know each other, so that knocks that elephant out of the room. They don't have to guess who you are or anything like that. They see the similarities, and then it's a basic yes or no response that they have to give you. Are you willing to look at something that I'm doing to make extra money on social media? It's either yes or no. And at the end of it, you say, if not, no big deal. So I'm just going to show you this message that I sent out on Facebook. Hi, Roy. I know we don't know each other, but I see you're in Boston, Massachusetts. I'm actually working to expand my business into Boston. Would you be at all open to taking a look at what I'm doing to make extra money on social media? If not, no big deal. So within a few minutes, I got a response that said, hi, Russ, no thank you. And then he said, it's air duct cleaning service. Are you interested? So I'm, and by the look of his picture and his profile, he works in this industry, okay? He cleans air ducts. So I said, hi, Roy, thank you for getting back to me. I appreciate it. I don't have any air ducts, but will keep you in mind if I come across anyone who needs the services you provide. All the best. And he said, thank you so much. And then I said, you're welcome. And then I followed up with, if you know of anyone who is looking to make an extra $2,000 plus per month without recruiting anyone, please send them my way. All right, so it ended on a positive note, right? I mean, the guy got back to me. He said he wasn't interested, which is awesome. He then let me know that he had a business. I don't have any air ducts in my property. Plus, I live up in Maine. But I did say if I come across anybody, then I would keep him in mind, which is true, okay? So, you might not get a lot of signups with this, but it's a good way to target people that you don't know, okay? It's just you're getting right to the point. You're telling them you don't know who they are. You have an offer if they're open. Some people might be open to seeing it. So I'm going to keep sending these out every day. Maybe do like 10 or 20 every day, right to people I don't know. And then one thing that Ray suggests is that you don't send these to people that are in the network marketing industry. All right, so these are people that you don't know that are not into network marketing, okay? Because, you don't want to cross-recruit and spam people like that. But so anyway, that's the script. I'll put it back up here on the screen. All right, you can pause this, copy it, and again, Ray Higdon, he's on YouTube. He's all over the place. He's got books and everything. But just go to YouTube, type in his name, and he's got really, really good training that can help everybody. So anyway, I hope you find value in this video. If you do, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I greatly appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. If you're interested in learning about my company that I'm working with, you can click the link in the description box and it'll take you over to this tour page where you can watch a 5-minute and 55-second video. You just enter your first and last name and email address to reserve your position in our matrix. It's free to do and you can opt out at any time. Alright, so there's a lot of people making a lot of money with this company, and it's just the beginning. We have over 1,000 people signing up every single day now, so don't wait too long to jump on this. Alright, so if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.